How to delete your Solflare Wallet account. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Solflare Wallet on your device and sign into your account. Once you do that, you can see this type of interface. Now to delete your Solflare Wallet account, it's quite easy. All you need to do is sign out of your Solflare account and make sure that you don't have the code. Once you don't have the code, you can no longer have access to your account and the account will be as much as deleted. So go ahead and click on the settings or gear icon on the bottom right hand side and tap on security and privacy. Once you do that, you can see the logout option. You can remove all of your wallets. Go ahead and tap on logout and then tap on continue. Once you do that, just go ahead and click on I understand and tap on logout. If you don't have your wallet passcode or password or the digits or the codes they have sent you, then your account is now deleted. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.